Hi guys, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set screen lock into pattern on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to security and location. Okay, tap this. In security and location, okay, and device security section, you can see the screen lock. And the screen lock is set into swipe. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set into pattern. And okay guys, to do that, you'll have to do is tap the screen lock. And now here you can see the option. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the pattern. And now you can create a pattern lock. Okay, so for my example, I draw a pattern lock. And okay guys, so after you draw the pattern lock, okay, tap the next button below. And okay guys, now you can draw a pattern lock again to confirm. Okay. And okay guys, after you draw a pattern lock again, okay, tap the confirm button below. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the screen lock into pattern on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, after that, tap the done button. And okay guys, okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.